So a question that often gets asked in property investing, and that is, should you be doing the work yourself? My view is it depends, and there's a number of factors, and obviously the first one is, are you capable of doing the jobs? Can you do it to the right standard? Do you know what you're doing? And then you've got the thing of, have you got the time? Can you devote the time to doing the work? Or will the time you spend working on it, is it going to cost you more because it's going to take you longer than getting a team in? So, there is a number of factors to consider. And then there's the other point of, can you afford the time but not the labour? And when you're starting out, I believe it makes sense to do some of the work yourself. I think you can't do it all, but if there's elements that you can do yourself to save some money, then I think in the early days it's worth doing. But I think you should always have an aim to be able to look for projects where you can make sufficient profit, not to be hands-on yourself, and then that way that allows you to grow the business. But so for me at the moment, I'm quite happy doing quite a bit of the work. I also like making these videos to help other people understand what they should be doing and how to do things. Because if we can help other people understand what their trade should be doing, they're less likely to have problems.